The MH-47G Chinook is truly a legend among military helicopters, a heavy-lift powerhouse trusted by Special Operations Forces for the world's toughest missions. Based on the classic Chinook design, the MH-47G is a heavily upgraded version equipped with cutting-edge avionics, advanced navigation systems, and powerful engines that make it one of the most capable helicopters in the U.S. Army's fleet. Long before you see it, you hear it. The deep, thunderous beat of its massive rotors announces its arrival from miles away, shaking the ground and sending vibrations through your chest. Watching the MH-47G perform a close-up landing is an unforgettable experience. The downwash from the twin rotors kicks up huge clouds of dust and debris, creating a dramatic scene as the helicopter hovers low, steady, and controlled, despite its enormous size and weight. The engine startup is another moment that captures the sheer might of this aircraft. As the twin-turbine engines spool up, the growl grows into a deafening roar that fills the air and drowns out everything else around it. The rising hum turns into a powerful, thunderous blast that signals this beast is ready to lift hundreds of pounds of cargo or elite troops into any mission zone. Everything about this moment reminds you that the MH-47G is built for the most demanding conditions. Every bolt, blade, and sensor works in perfect sync to handle missions where failure is simply not an option. When the Chinook takes off, it's like watching brute force turn graceful. The enormous rotor blades slice through the air at high speed, generating a lift strong enough to raise the multi-ton helicopter and its heavy load smoothly into the sky. The ground shakes as the wind blast bends grass, tosses loose debris, and pushes back anything that isn't anchored down. Despite its size, the MH-47G shows incredible agility, capable of flying low over rugged terrain or hovering precisely over narrow landing zones. This helicopter can carry not only soldiers but vehicles, supplies, and equipment, a true flying lifeline for special operations teams. Whether it's inserting troops deep behind enemy lines, performing nighttime rescue missions, or delivering critical supplies to remote locations, the MH-47G is always mission-ready. It can operate day or night, in harsh weather, and in some of the world's most dangerous environments. Seeing it up close as it lands, hearing that thunderous engine roar to life, and feeling the raw force of its takeoff is an experience few forget. The MH-47G Chinook isn't just a helicopter. It's a symbol of American military power, precision, and unwavering readiness to face any challenge.